Hurricane Fabio forecast to weaken, but will send high surf to Southern California. Hurricane Fabio is beginning to weaken after forming into the record earliest storm in that active basin in 2018. Fabio is currently more than 700 miles southwest of the southern tip of Mexico's Baja California Peninsula, in the eastern Pacific Ocean. Fabio is no direct threat to land, but it will produce some larger swells that affect the Pacific beaches of Mexico, particularly the Baja Peninsula, as well as some Southern California beaches. The southerly swells will reach south-facing beaches of Southern California beginning Wednesday evening, continuing through Friday morning. Pounding surf. Coastal flooding of normally dry beach areas, such as parking lots, and life-threatening rip currents are expected, according to the National Weather Service. On Sunday, Fabio became the earliest 6th Eastern Pacific named storm on record, topping the previous earliest F storm by 2 days, according to Colorado State University tropical scientist. Overall, Eastern Pacific tropical activity was running about 2 to 3 weeks ahead of the average pace, as tracked by the ACE index, according to Klotzbach.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.